Hi, I'm Paul from VeloWorks. The sun is shining and some of you may be looking to dust off your Brompton after some winter storage. So let's remind ourselves how to fold and unfold the bike. Also, I'll be seeing if I can do a good time folding and unfolding the Brompton. So if you're used to folding your Brompton and unfolding your Brompton, it does become second nature. But for those that don't or have them stored where they're not folded and don't need to fold them as much, it can be a little bit clunky remembering how to do it. So let's go through the steps. So step one, I always do the handlebars. First of all, make sure that's nice and tight. So one thing to remember is the seat locks the Brompton. So if I try and pick it up like that, it's not going to unfold because the seat is locking it in place. So step two is to unlock the seat. Make sure it's level through the frame. So that's looking down the saddle and making sure that it's in a straight line with the frame. Okay, step three. So I put one hand here on the seat post and one hand on the handlebar stem. And I'm going to lift up and I want the back to flick out. As it does flick out, if it's not going to flick out all the way, I'll use my foot just to give it some guidance. Ready? Then step four, the final step, is to do the last remaining hinge bolt. Otherwise, it'll be a slightly interesting ride with the bike folding in half as you ride. So now I'm going to show you how to fold the bike, and keep watching because I'm going to see how quick I can fold and unfold the Brompton. First step, most Bromptons these days have a clip under here. Some of the old ones don't, but you clip here and then you put the back under like that, making sure that you turn the handlebars to the left hand side. So I'm going to show you that again. Clip, unfold to the left hand side. If you turn the handlebars to the right, it'll all go wrong. So make sure that they're turned to the left so the wheel is to that side. So the back of the wheel is to the right side of the rear wheel. So step two, a little step, make sure that the right hand pedal is roughly in that position. You can adjust it a bit later, but it needs to be roughly in that position. Step three, undo the main hinge bolt, the main frame hinge bolt, and you have a little hook here that hooks over onto the chainstay. Yeah. Step three, as in the unfold, we need to lock everything into place. It's at this point you can put the saddle down. If you try and put the saddle down before this point, it can get stuck. So saddle nicely down, and then that's it, locked in place. And then step four, undo the stem bolt or the stem hinge, and you're ready to go. Right, I hope those tips were helpful, and with everything to bear in mind, if you're getting in a bit of a kerfuffle, stop, slow down and go through the points again. Now let's see how quick I can unfold and fold the Brompton. Sarah's going to do the timing. I've never timed myself. I'm certainly not going to do anywhere near what the pros can do. I think there's a guy that works for Brompton that's got folding or unfolding it in under 4 seconds. Definitely not going to do that, but let's see how I get on. Steady, go. Stop.
Oh, I don't know if you can see that. 9.61.
Oh, 9.61.
That good?
Under 10 seconds, I'll take that. Let me know your time if you've done it better than that. Now let's go for the fold. Ready, steady, go. Stop.
That is 10.33.
10.33. I know that there is someone that I think can do it in 4.44. So let me see if I can just go under 10 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to have one more attempt at getting it under 10 seconds. Ready, steady, go. Go.
Oh, 9.84.
I didn't fully do the seat clip up, so maybe it would have gone over 10, but I'll take that and leave it there. So I hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful. If you're not used to folding or unfolding your Brompton, let us know what times you can do folding or unfolding your Brompton. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.